Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I've got another product for you, and it's a really cool product. I'm actually kind of excited to try this out in my car. It says that it's 4K, but it's this guy right down here. It's called the Pelsee dash cam. But what's really cool is it has a front and a rear dash cam. So let's not even mess around with anything more than let's talk about what's on it and let's get into it. It does say that it's a smart Wi-Fi dash camera, your personal smart driving assistant. We'll go through some of the cool features, and okay, it's pretty good packaging, to be honest. Let's go ahead and open that up real quick. Cool. That took a bit to get out. So we have a user's manual plus some other stuff in here. Ooh, looks like it's got some screen coverings. Rather nice cleaning cloth. Thank you for choosing us. We're here to help and support. So if you got any issues, you go to those areas. You do have a book, and it's 16 pages and it's all English, so that is very interesting. Let's get the accessories out because I can't bend that tab down. All right, let's get the camera out. I did not expect that, so I'm wondering why it felt kind of solid, but I also didn't feel it moving around. Nothing was moving around in there because it's packed in foam. Okay, well that's it. So this is the front cam. Let's take a look. There you go. Okay, it's got a nice little camera lens protector, USB-C power. You do have, you have another peel off. I thought it had a rear screen. There it is. Ooh, oh, there it is. There's your rear screen right there. This is a 3M adhesive tape. I'm sure that you're going to stick it to somewhere on your windshield, probably. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you can stick this to your windshield, slide this on. Now there is a second camera to this, and I bet you it is in the accessories. Let's get into it. A little bit different packaging. I mean, there's nothing holding it in here. Nice little sticky bag. Okay, as they like to call it, the cigarette lighter style connection with a pass-through USB. Your wiring. This, this plugs into the camera itself, so it's meant to be low profile. So actually, I don't think it's supposed to go that way, but yeah, maybe even this way, depending on how you're going to route this cabling. And then this, I'm assuming, is probably going to go to the second camera. Well, there is your second camera. Oh, and it has a detented. And this is going to be up, so it'll be sitting like this, and then you can operate this however you see fit. Does it lock in? No, it just kind of just sits there. Okay. Okay, so now we're taking a quick test drive and take a look out here while we're driving. Here is the camera system, the front side. What's cool is I can, push a button, activate it. Front camera, once again, this is what it looks like. We'll show you a shot of the actual video, but I'm just showing you that it's recording from the front camera. Now it's recording from the back camera. And now we're going to go ahead and show you real quick the back camera. You can see that it's sitting there right in the middle of the window. A little bit of wire. The only reason why the wire is like that, though, is that we need that extension so when my tailgate opens. You can obviously adjust that depending on where you decide to run the cable through, but in my point right now, it's actually in a perfect position. We're about to go take this for a drive. I'm going to show you some videos, okay? From the camera. Bye. All right. So we've accessed Wi-Fi. You've got to switch to the Wi-Fi. Once you get there, we go ahead and access the camera. And this is what it looks like in my garage. I just came home. We'll show you the file, what it looks like when I drove. We'll come over here and we'll push this reversey button here and we'll look out the back. And that is the view out my back window. Here are what's really cool, the camera settings. So I've just turned off the recording because I went to the settings. Loop recording, I'm sorry, speaker volume almost high. Resolution is 2K. You basically have 1080p and 2K. Very interesting. Loop recording 2 minutes. Anti-flicker 60 Hertz. That's for US. I want a timestamp and the rear mirror. So it mirrors it, reverses it. Okay. Collision sensing's on low. Automatic screen off is off, but I can set it to 30 seconds, 1 minute. That's cool. We'll just say it's 30 seconds, so it turns off on its own. Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, we can do all that, and you can even format or change the Wi-Fi password, format your SD card. And in fact, it did format my SD card on its own when I inserted it. So that's better. And it speaks, and it says the recording has just started. Really cool features on this. I can turn off. It just said it's off. There you go. Now let's go to what's pretty cool here. So we've stopped it. We've got a bunch of recordings. Let's look at the rear while I'm driving down the road. Wow, you can hear me pretty well. This is at the back of the car. Let's go to the front camera, which is a bit clearer.
I have walked/run through this neighborhood a whole lot more than I've ever driven through this neighborhood.
There you go. Me talking. Just to test the camera, recording ability, just blabbing, saying whatever. That looks pretty decent. It's a little bit glary with the light, and it's probably because of my windshield more than anything. I've got a pretty dirty windshield. All right, guys, check it out. There it is, running right there. And it's in the background. Flip through the screens. There's the reverse. There is the clock. And then back to the front.